Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a pretty large grocery haul. I really love doing these. I love sharing what I eat versus meals and stuff like that because I get more inspiration watching grocery hauls than watching like recipe or like meal ideas. So I hope that this helps you guys. If you don't know and you're new here, I eat a low carb, low fat, high protein lifestyle starting in this past March. And before that, for basically 2 years, I was strictly keto, but I still buy keto things because still there are things that say keto but they're still low fat, so they're not technically keto, but still I eat a very low carb lifestyle. So I'm going to share with you everything I got. Everything came from either Giant, Sam's, or Aldi. I love Aldi. I really need to shop there more often. I typically only go there for a couple things because honestly, I get very stressed out when I'm in there. But this past time I went in and it wasn't that busy, and I literally went down up and down every single aisle just to see what they have because I really don't know. And I love Sam's because you can scan all your items, like check out on your phone. You don't have to stand in line. So that is amazing. And then when you go to the door to leave, the lady scans your phone, scans a couple items, and you're out the door. You do not need to unload and then reload. It's so simple. So I love going to Sam's, and honestly, I just want to go like every other day. I love it in there. And I love Giant, and that's where I usually do my food ordering about once a month. But I haven't done a big order from Giant in a really long time because honestly, we don't really need that much from there because I've been getting a lot of things from Sam's and Aldi. So let's get started. All right, so I have to always pick up some avocado spray when I am at Aldi. I already have, I don't even know, a bunch of these, but I was like, you know what, while I'm here, let me pick it up. And they only had 2 left, so I was like, sold. They had these keto bars. They are iced gingerbread, and there's only 4 in here. And I remember they were $6.99, so kind of expensive. I honestly thought they were in shape of a gingerbread. They weren't, but they're not bad. I wouldn't get them again, but they weren't bad at all. They're just really high in calorie. They're 180 calories for 1 bar. And how much protein's in here? Only 4 grams of protein. So I was just like, I'd rather eat a Built Bar, but not bad for the holidays. And honestly, it did give you the gingerbread vibe, so that's great. I got the low carb wraps. I already started using them. I've been back to making quesadillas this week. I love a good quesadilla. This low carb one crisps up the best. These are my favorite, even over the Mission. They even had a keto one at Aldi. I didn't see it there this time around. That one is 0 net carbs. That one was good too, but this one crisps up the best. So I got 2 of those. They're pretty big, like, there's a lot in here. So, I mean, and it wasn't that expensive. These I really wanted to try because they're only 50 calories per link, and it's a breakfast chicken sausage. So this one is apple maple and country style. So these were, I feel like, not cheap, but you know, I thought it seemed to be like pretty good stuff. So, and they're cheaper than the chicken sausages that I get from Giant because they are a lot of money, but those ones aren't a breakfast sausage, but still. So I really want to try these from Aldi, so I really hope they're good. Picked up some Canadian bacon. I sometimes get up to 4 when I go to Aldi, but I'm kind of slowing down on the breakfast sandwiches because I think I'm getting finally tired of them. I pretty much would eat them every single day and sometimes twice a day for both my meals because they're just so easy, so high protein, low calorie. But so I just picked up 2. I think you can freeze this, but the expiration date is until December 27th, so I thought that's a pretty good date. I picked these up. I haven't had these in such a long time, so I got 2 of them, just the spicy salami. They also have the mild, which I like, but I think these were kind of expensive too. They definitely went up like everything else. I've already started using this. This was only $2.99, and it was for 11 ounces, which is way cheaper than Sargento reduced fat Mexican cheese that I get from Giant 100% of the time. And I was like, you know what, let me just try this for my quesadilla, and honestly I taste no difference. So the fact that this is so much cheaper, I'm gonna go ahead with and use this from now on, especially like for my quesadillas. I mean, for my tacos, I really do love the Sargento because you can really taste the cheese just tastes so good. But for my quesadillas, this is fine, and the macros are exactly the same. Got some sour cream for my quesadillas. I already started using that, and then I saw these tortilla strips. I like to put these sometimes on my salad or when we have chili. But you only need to sprinkle very, very little to get that good crunch. So, and they're really low carb and really low calorie. So for 2 tablespoons, 35 calories and 4 carbs. So not bad at all. I honestly would eat these, even when I was keto. So got some egg whites. I actually got 3 of these, and the expiration isn't until the end of December, which I thought was great. And I actually use egg whites for when I bake now because I don't feel like buying a carton of eggs and egg whites. And yeah, it comes out exactly the same. So, and guess what? Less calories, right? So yeah, I just do the equivalent of however many eggs, and bada bing, bada boom. Literally my cookies taste exactly the same. I used this a couple times when I made my Italian Christmas cookies and came out the same, if not even better. And then we got 2 almond milks, but I'm only obviously showing you one. We get the unsweetened almond. Love that stuff. Put that in my protein shakes, cereal. You can put it in your keto cereal. It's just great. Love it. Got some carrots, some celery. And I think that might be it for Aldi. Oh, I did get a bunch of canned green beans. I think I got 12 from my mom when she comes for Christmas. So I just been slowly stocking up for when my mom and grandma come for Christmas. But I figured I'm not going to show you that stuff because I'm not eating it. So there you go. All right. So for Giant, they had these and I went crazy when I saw them in the store. They had the apple pie and then the peppermint. I'm not a big fan of peppermint. George is, so he said he really, really liked that one. And the apple pie is so delicious. I'm going to have to go back and stock up because Nick's ice cream is amazing. Because guess what, guys? For the whole pint, it's only 290 calories. Like, hello. Can you beat that? Ben & Jerry's is like 1,000, if not more. So that's great. Got a bunch of these Chobani. I'm only showing you 4, but I think I literally have 20 in my fridge. I'm only showing you 4 of these, but we have a bunch of these, and George loves the key lime pie protein ratio, but I eat the Chobani because it's only 60 calories and 11 grams of protein. It's so, so, so good. Stocked up on my sugar-free strawberry preserves just because it's always sold out when I do my ordering, and the store brand is always sold out as well. So when I'm in store, I just decide to pick it up. Same thing with my jelly. This is the best one that I can find in person. If you know of a better one, let me know. But again, I just, use what I can find, That's the best one I can find, and that's that. This, I've been waiting for it to go on sale, but I just spent the full price on it of $5.99. This is the best. I tried this when I was keto, and I just love this in my coffee when I make it at home. It is so, so, so good. I honestly should use this when I get my Starbucks drinks instead of asking for some heavy cream. So this is just delicious. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love it. Then up here, I got some chicken gravy and beef gravy. Again, this is always sold out when I do my ordering. So when I was in store, I just stocked up and got 2 of each. And there you go. Got some soups just to have in my pantry. They're very low calorie. And it's not that high in carb either. I mean, obviously if I was keto, I couldn't eat this. But with my lifestyle now, I totally can. So it's only 32 carbs and 230 calories, so not bad for a whole thing of soup. I got a bunch of chomps. I want to say honestly probably last month. I don't think I shared these with you. They were so cheap, and then I also had a coupon for them from Giant, and I went ham, and I've already started eating them. I took their display, but yeah, the jalapeno are really good, and then the turkey one is only 60 calories, and I think the jalapeno one is 90. So good. I got this because I really wanted to try it, so might as well. Kerrygold was on sale at Giant. They were on sale for $3.50. They used to be $3.99 regular price. Now they're $4.79. So, and then when you bought 3, you got $3 off instantly. So that's the cheapest I've ever seen Kerrygold since I've gone keto and started buying it. So I actually bought 6 of these, just so you know. These were on a sale when I did my ordering. It was like with your order only sale. And it was spend 25, get back 10. And I got 7 of these. and they're only 180 calories, only 14 net carbs, and they are 18 grams of protein. So I thought, might as well try. They do have potatoes in here. I didn't realize that until I got it in the mail, but you know, it's not that bad. Oh, and then these I wanted to mention. These are from Marshall's, and then this one's from TJ Maxx. But you can find both of these in both places. These are so good. The dark chocolate covered almonds and then the hazelnut. Oh, guys, they are so good. I'm addicted. Like, delicious. I bought a bunch of these and I have 2 bags left. So definitely measure them out. They are so good. And then when I was at Giant, I picked up the 0 sugar cranberry ginger ale, and then what is this? Cherry 7-Up. So I got these for the holidays, pretty much probably for Christmas. I'm not going to drink them now, but I just feel like this is just very holiday-esque, so I went to get it. And then the bubbly was 3 for $9, which is the cheapest I usually get them for. So I figure when they're on sale, I might as well get 3. I usually get like 6 or 9, but I didn't this time because I have so many drinks in my pantry. So there you go. Got my Built Bars in the mail. I actually ordered a bunch of these, and I only have 2 left of the Snickerdoodle. If you can get your hands on these are the best. They are going to be releasing something so special, and I will put that information below once I can announce it. And then I got cookies and cream as well. But guys, I'll put the video in the cards for the review. The Snickerdoodle rivals cookie dough, guys. I don't know which one I love better. It's just so good, so good. All right, so, oh, and then for Giant, the last thing I got was the Jimmy Dean turkey sausage links and the patties. These are only $6.99. They're on sale for $5.99. They're never on sale, so I always get the patties for my breakfast sandwiches if I want to switch it up from the Canadian bacon, or you can always eat this plain as well. So I went ahead and got them while they were on sale. Okay, so Sam's Club. I feel like I definitely have gotten more, but this is all I can remember that I've purchased. So got the pretzel crisps to put it in the spinach artichoke dip. They also have the jalapeno one, which is really good, but the spinach dip is to die for. I got the 6 for $7 bread. It's a double pack. I think it was like 6 something. And then in the store though, in my stores, these are like 4 something a piece. So definitely a good deal. And I will have to tell you, the Italian one is the best. I actually have seen this bread at Aldi as well, but it was still expensive at Aldi. I didn't think it was any cheaper than Giant, but hey, might just be my area. But yeah, the 6 for $7 bread is the best. I love it. I really enjoy it. It does have, 6 net carbs, unlike, the keto Aldi bread has 0, but this is so tasty. Like, you do not think you're eating like healthy bread. So I feel like you can totally trick your kids and trick people if you wanted to, because they're not even going to know. I got the 100-calorie Thomas light multi-grain muffins. I love these. These are so good. I typically put these in the freezer and just take, 1 or 2 out whenever I plan on eating them. The pulled pork is my favorite from Sam's. You have to buy this. If you don't, I don't know like what you're doing. You just have to, guys. It's so easy and it's so delicious. It's just so great to have on hand, and I love it. String cheese, I always get this at Sam's now. The price is just so good. Unless there's like a really good sale at my grocery store, but I typically would just buy it at Sam's. George loves these wraps, and they're so inexpensive with how many you get. So he already started using those. And then I already started eating my macadamia nuts. This is a limited time thing, so if you do want it, definitely, as you can tell, I've been munching on these. But you have to measure them out, guys, because for 1 serving, which is about 1 ounce, is 200 calories. So you can overeat on these real quick. That's the only reason why I don't buy these often, but I haven't had macadamia nuts in a while and I wanted them. The Siete chips, these were on sale, and this is my 2nd or 3rd box that I picked up from Sam's, all at separate times. And since the sale was going to be over, I was like, you know what, let me get them. Plus they're vegan, so my mom can eat them as well when she comes for Christmas. So they're really, really good. I love the sea salt with some salsa. So delicious. The nacho, they kind of have a weird spice to it, but it's pretty good. And then George loves the lime with salsa. I had to get the Hello Kitty containers. I'm so happy they have it in store. I went on the first day and these were $10 off. They were only $11.98. Just these alone, I think, are $30 on the Sanrio website. So I almost kind of wanted to get two. They also had Star Wars and I think Mickey and Minnie. Oh my God, perfect Christmas gift if you know someone that loves Hello Kitty, and so inexpensive. Then guys, you have to get the Sparkling Ice winter exclusive pack, so limited edition, because it comes with the apple cider flavor, which tastes exactly like apple cider or like the Martinelli's. It is so good, and they used to have it permanently and then they took it away. And then when I saw this pack at Sam's, I'm like, oh my God, they brought it back for the holiday. Then if you love cranberry juice, they also have the cranberry flavor, and then they have a ginger lime, which is pretty good as well. So I love Sparkling Ice. I actually have 4 of these in my pantry right now, and I have already gone through, I think, at least one. Also, I've picked up the Members Mark Sparkling Ice, which is really good as well, and definitely a lot cheaper than Sparkling Ice. So when I do go to Sam's and they don't have Sparkling Ice on sale, I just get the Members Mark. So, all right, guys, that is everything. I feel like I talked a lot, but definitely let me know, what are your staples for Aldi and definitely Sam's Club, and if you do shop at Giant. But I feel like for Aldi and Sam's, a lot of this stuff is seasonal and stuff like that. So definitely let me know if there's anything that I should definitely pick up next time I go. But yeah, Sam's my favorite, and I definitely need to start shopping at Aldi and try to go when they're like less busy, so I just don't feel as stressed out when I go in there, because and honestly, there's always just one cashier and the line is so long. So if I only get a couple things, I just like stand there and there's people that are, you know, in front of me with like carts and carts full of stuff, and I just don't feel like it's necessary to stand in line that long. And that's why I love Sam's, because I can just scan myself out on my phone and be done with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and definitely comment below, again, what are your favorites at the stores that I mentioned, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.